What's going on, guys? CryptoCam here, coming at you with a brand new video today. So for today's video, I want to show you guys a quick little strategic tip that can be used for daily trading, swing trading, any kind of trading that you do on exchanges such as Bittrex, Kraken, Poloniex, or Bitfinex. But in my own personal opinion, I think Bittrex is one of the best. That's why I use it, because I just like how the website is, great user interface and very easy to use. I think it's one of the best exchanges out there at the moment. I recommend you guys go check it out, link in the description. So this tip that I'm about to show you is a very good tip that can be used for your trading. It's basically a strategic plan that can be used to show when you buy into your trade. You can use a stop loss in it, and you can set your sell levels in it as well. The one key in trading is to come into your trades with a plan, knowing what you're going to do, what your buy levels are, what your sell levels are, because a lot of people just go into trading not knowing what they're really doing. They just buy low, sell high. That's very good that they do that, but it's just way easier if you have a strategic plan set out that includes all of the things that are necessary to make a good trade and to lock in your profits. So first off, I'm on my TradingView account right here. As you can see, we're on the Omisigo coin right here, and currently it's at 231,000 Satoshis. And that Satoshi amount will go up and down, of course, fluctuating this one-day candle right here. And if you guys don't know what TradingView is, it's basically a free charting website that you can look at many different types of cryptocurrencies. It's not even just cryptocurrencies, you can look at different stocks as well. It's one of the best charting websites out there at the moment. I mean, you get all these free indicators to use. You can use Bollinger Bands, you can use moving day averages, RSI, MACD. All the indicators that you see on my screen are the best indicators to determine price movement, where that coin's going to go in the future. So keep that in mind. MACD, RSI, 100-day moving average, 200-day moving average, 50-day moving average, and the Bollinger Bands are very good indicators to use. And to use those, of course, you just right click, press insert indicator right there and search it up. So let's just get right into this. So first off, you want to find a coin that you researched and you figured out what the coin's about, how the website looks, and the team behind it. So the coin that I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a plan today is Omisigo, of course. And if we go over to the Omisigo website right here, you can see that their website is very well formatted. It has home, product, about, contact us pages. Very good coin and very good vision behind it. Has their white paper right there. Very good team, including the one and only Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum. And recently, Omisigo has partnered with a Thailand McDonald's. So that's a very big step for this coin in the future. I think this coin can go very far because its foundation is built on the Ethereum blockchain. So that's very good for the coin. I believe this coin will reach triple digits very soon. So let's just go right back to TradingView.com. So the first thing I do when I make a plan, I look for a coin that had a huge bull run. As you can see from the start of Omisigo, only about 2.5 months ago, it's just had a huge run all the way up to a high of like 331,000 Satoshis. And if you have a big bull run, of course, you need some form of pullback or consolidation period. So I think this coin will pull down to around this range right here, and this whole range right here is called the support. So you want to look for a coin that's going down and it has a good support level around right here. So I'm going to go to the left side, press this little line right here, and draw the support around the 180 to 190,000 Satoshi range. And to change the color of the line, you just press it, right click it, press format, press this little line box right here, and I'm going to change it to orange, but of course you can change it to any color you want, and then press OK. So we have our support line right here, and this is a common place for Omisigo to pull back to because look at all the support right here. Very strong foundation built right there. So this is where I think it will pull back to. So for your buy orders, you want to set them a little around the support area, like around right here. But first off, I'm just going to go to the left side, press this little T, and press right there. And we can say this is our support level at around 185,000 Satoshis. So what I usually do is I press parentheses, 185k Satoshis, and then close the parentheses and press OK. And then you can drag it next to the line right there. Make sure it's level. Okay, good. So once Omisigo reaches this support level right here, I'll be putting a buy order in around like right here. So I'm going to go to the left again, press the line, make sure it's level with the other one, and put it in around here. And then make sure it's the same length as the other one. Make sure it's leveled as well, and then press OK. So right click, format, and change this color to green. Press OK, and now we have our green line there. And then go to the left side, press text, and say buy level, and then parentheses, and that's around 206,000 Satoshis. So 206k Satoshis, put that in parentheses, make sure to close it, and press OK. And then you can move it over to the line as well. So we have our support level and our buy level set. And keep in mind that you can do more than one buy level if you would want to, but for this one, I'm just going to be setting one buy level. You can set it wherever you want, but I recommend just setting it around the support level where you think the coin that you're making this plan on will drop back to. And the next thing we're going to be doing is setting our stop loss level. Usually in trading terms, you want to do a stop loss around 10% below where you bought it. So I'll be setting my stop loss 10% below 206,000 Satoshis. And if you guys don't know what a stop loss is, it's basically if you buy your coin right here and the coin keeps going down and you have your stop order set like around this range, it will automatically sell the coin at that amount of Satoshis that you set it at. So it's better to lose 10% in your trade instead of losing over 50% in your trade if the coin keeps tanking below. So in order to figure out your 10% stop loss, just go to this website called Percentage Gain Calculator. This website's link will be in the description, so be sure to check this out. So basically you want to put the amount of Satoshis that you bought that coin at, and then with the other number you just want to keep messing around with it until it says around a negative 10%. For me, 206,000 Satoshis to 185,000 Satoshis was a negative 10.19% decrease. So you want to go back to your chart and press another line and get it at that 185,000 Satoshi range. And for this instance, my sell level is around the same level as the support level, so I have to put it on the side. And normally if it wasn't the same as the support level, you would just put it right below it right there, but I have to put it to the side since it's the same right now. There you go, 185,000 Satoshis, make a little line, make sure it's leveled. So there's our stop loss sell level at 185,000 Satoshis, and 206,000 Satoshis to 185,000 Satoshis is of course a negative 10.19% decrease. So press the little T right there and enter stop loss, and then parentheses 185k Satoshis. Close parentheses and press OK. And you can put it underneath it or to the side of it. So for the sell levels, it really just depends where you want to put your sell levels. If you think the coin can go past its all-time highs, you can put it up here if you like. But for this instance, I'm going to be putting one right here and right here. So go back to the lines, have it level with this one, and draw it right here. Level it out, bam, and then another line right at this range right here at 285,000 Satoshis. And keep those at the red color to indicate that that's when you're selling it. And then go to the text, put it right next to it, and then you can go to the text and you can say first sell level, and then parentheses, and then figure out how many Satoshis that's at, 260k Satoshis, and then close parenthesis, put it there, and then move it next to it. And then go back to text and put the text for your second sell level. So second sell level, and then parentheses, and then figure out how much Satoshis it's at, 288,000, so 288k Satoshis. Close the parentheses and press OK. Move it next to it. And here's an important thing to remember for the sell levels. This is just your own personal opinion, but if you want to sell a certain amount at a certain level, say you want to sell 50% at the first level and the other 50% at the second level, you can just mess around the percentages of your units, or you can sell all your units at the first sell level and then not sell any at the second level. But for me, I usually do 50% and 50%. So I sell 50% of my units at the first sell level and 50% of my units at the second sell level, just to get some guaranteed lock-in profits. Also, if you calculate from 206,000 Satoshis to 260,000 Satoshis, just go over here and then change this number to 260,000, and then you would get a percentage gain of 26.21%, and that would be equal to a 26% trade. So that's a very good trade. And then you can go to the other one, change it to 288,000 Satoshis, 288,000. Press calculate, and that's a 40% trade. So both these trades are good. You just want to mess around in this calculator to see how much profit percentage you want to make. But then again, it's just all personal opinion. If you want to sell all your units at the first one, or all your units at the second one, or 25% at the first one, 50% at the first one, and then keep the last 25% of your units to see if the coin goes even higher. And yeah, that's about it for this step. This is just a good plan for your trades that I recommend you do for all your trades. It's a very good habit to get into to set your support level, buy level, sell levels, and your stop loss. I highly recommend making plans like this if you're going to trade. It's just way less stressful because you already have your whole trading plan planned out, and you don't really need to do anything except for wait. And if you guys don't know how to set buy levels, sell levels, and stop losses on Bittrex, I will show you that right now. And we're on the Amigo coin right now because, of course, that's the coin that we're talking about. So for your buy levels, you would just put the amount of units you want to buy there, and then you put the amount of Satoshis that you want to buy it at, and then you want to go to type right here, press limit, press conditional, and then for the condition part, you press greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to. So say you would want to buy 50 units of the Amigo coin at 200,000 Satoshis. So you would put 200,000 Satoshis in here, and then you would copy this number, paste it in this box right here, make sure to delete that extra 0, and it would come out to your total amount of Bitcoin right there. And also make sure you have the condition set to less than or equal to, and then you would press buy OBCGO. So this is a conditional limit buy, and it's saying your buy order will submit when the next executed trade is less than or equal to 200,000 Satoshis. You would press confirm, and that would go onto your orders tab right here. And same thing for the sell side, you put the amount in units, the price at which you want to sell it at, go to limit, press conditional, and then for this one you would do less than or equal to as well, and then you would put the amount of Satoshis that you want to sell your units at the 10% stop loss, press sell OBCGO, and your order would go in. So that's how you put your sell orders in, your stop loss orders in, and your buy orders in on Bittrex. So I hope you guys enjoyed, hope you guys learned something. If you did, please be sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave any tips down below, and also tell me if you guys enjoyed these types of videos. I would really appreciate it if you did so. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been CryptoCam. Hope you guys have a nice day. Peace out.